Hey everyone, in this video, I will demonstrate how to check your area's T-Mobile home internet coverage map. So, let's watch the video till the end. First, launch the Safari browser on your device. Then, visit the coverage map website for your mobile or home internet. Afterward, click the search bar and type your home address or zip code. The map will zoom into your area, and you can check the coverage details. You see multiple colors on the map, so let's understand it. The dark purple color on the map shows strong 5G coverage. If you see a light purple color, 4G LTE coverage is available in your area. If the color is white or gray, that means those areas have no service. If 5G coverage is strong, T-Mobile internet may be available in your area. You can check and confirm T-Mobile 5G coverage in your area by scrolling down and finding the Check Availability button. Then, enter your address and unit code. Afterward, hit the Check Availability button. Wait for a moment to check for 5G internet availability. As you can see, 5G home internet is available in my area. So, I am getting options to choose a T-Mobile home internet plan. Select the suitable plan as per your use. That's it. I hope you found this video helpful for checking the T-Mobile home internet coverage map. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for the latest tips and tricks videos.